So, you want to correct a mistake on your United States permanent residency application? I got you. Navigating the U.S. immigration process requires careful attention to detail. If you have already submitted your application to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) and then discover an error, the approach to fix it can vary. For minor typographical errors, you might be able to send a clear letter explaining the mistake, referencing your case receipt number, and including any supporting evidence. If you filed online, check your USCIS account for options to upload unsolicited evidence or send a secure message. Sometimes, USCIS may issue a request for evidence RFE if they identify an issue, allowing you to correct it then. However, because immigration matters in the USA are complex and errors can have serious consequences, it is highly advisable to consult with a qualified immigration attorney in the USA for guidance tailored to your specific situation and the type of error. And that's it.